Hello there, my name is Sagar Parajuli, student ID 30381175. So in this video, I'm going to highlight some of the individual contribution I did while developing this master project ITECH 7415. So let's get started. Here is our small introduction for our project. So Lamano Restaurant is our client and we are developing an Android application for them. So here are some basic details for our client. So talking about me, I am a software engineering background. So in our team of 4 people, all the 3 members are from ERP group, while I am single from software engineering group. So I have to focus on the coding part of the software product. So in this semester, we developed 2 main product. One product is for our admin side, which is an web application, while another one is an Android application, which will be used by our customers. So I alone have to work on coding and the software product part. So here are the 3 main contributions I did during this master project. The first one is the UI design for the system. So including all the UI design for the Android application, database, and the web application. I make all the UI design by myself. And Android application, I developed Android application. All the coding part for the Android app was done by me. And also for the development of web app for our admin panel, I also did all the coding for developing the website also. So here is a tool main literature review I studied, and the first one is the Lamno restaurant's own website. So when I checked their website, I came to know that they have a very static website in which just there is just text, price, there's just product and price list only. So the user cannot book tables, the user cannot order food items from there. So it is all the content in the application was all static. The another literature review I did was Uber Eats and Menu Log. So Uber Eats and Menu Log are a very popular delivery system, but the one main problem with that is that all the food item available in those Uber Eats, they are 10 to 20% more expensive than the actual normal price. So the user have to pay more price for the same amount of food. So if the restaurant, they can have their own application, then those that 10 to 20% can be reduced for the customer, which will attract more customer as they have to pay less amount in the application rather than using Uber Eats. So that will be the one main application advantage for using the Android application. So for developing our system, the tools we used were Android Studio, which was our IDE for developing the Android application, Git and GitHub for storing all our data, and version control system for storing our application product codes. Visual Studio Code was our IDE for developing the admin side. Draw.io was used to develop the different use case diagrams, UML diagrams like use case diagram, class diagrams, sequence diagrams, and all those things. For the Android application, we use Java programming language, which is a widely used popular programming language for developing Android application, and React.js, which is a widely used JavaScript library for developing web applications front-end parts. So for the admin panel, we used React.js. So the next topic is online hosting, which is one of the thing I learned during this project. So all our content are hosted in the online in Netlify. So the admin dashboard can be accessed directly from internet. So anyone with the internet connection can access the admin dashboard, and the Android application is available in the Play Store. So the user, they can go to Play Store and search for Lamano Restaurant, and they can download the Android application. And another thing is all our data are hosted securely in Google's Firebase cloud storage. So all this sensitive data like the user's Gmail ID, the ordering details, all the data will be stored safe in Google Cloud. I think yeah, my laptop was freeze because I'm learning running the emulator also. And all the things I learned during this master's project was like online hosting of content, because before I used to make applications but was not able to host online. So from this master project, I learned how we can host our applications, web apps, and application to the cloud. And also another thing I learned is when we work in a team and when we have a big project, we can work in a cooperative way by dividing tasks among the team members. So working in a team is again a very challenging thing. So from this master project, I learned a lot regarding working in a team as a team member. Another thing I learned is regarding time management. So from sprint 1 to sprint 3, and project backlog, which includes almost 12 weeks. I used to, before when I used to do coding, I don't have time in my mind, so I just randomly used to do the coding. But when we work in real life project like this one, we have to keep time a very important thing in our mind. So time management is the another thing I learned from this project. And also working in a real life scenario project like an building an application for a client help us to gain a real life experience which will be used in future for us. So I learned about working in a real life project, which helps to gain a more experience because it helps us to give presentation, documentations, talking with the client, sharing work among team members. So all these things are the things I learned. So the next one is project demonstration, which I build by myself. So here is our Android application. So user can download the Android application from Google Play Store. So we don't normally need a Google account to sign into the application. So once the user is signed in, he can access the menu, and in the authent here, this is our Firebase database, which I created. This is a free account for now, so there are some limitation, and all the user who use the Gmail ID for login purpose, we can get the Gmail ID of those persons. So these are all the details of the user which are logged in into our application using their Gmail ID. So these two are our admin, and while the remaining with the Google logo are our users which use their Gmail ID to log in into the application. So all the content you see here are dynamic, which are coming from our real-time database system. Let me show you the structure of our database. So here is our structure of our database, which includes lots of category, all the items of home page, the cart page, popular item page, booking page, everything can be seen here. This is our database, and all the content you see in the application is coming directly from our database. So all the images, this text item, menu item, all those menu items etc can be easily changed by our admin. So here is our main admin page, which show the number of table of booking and takeaway. The admin can add new food product easily. He just need to input the name, description, URL, price, item, and select which category the food item is. So for example, let me order a chicken burger. If I go to the database, I just click chicken burger, so it can be easily shown here. Next, let me add some lomono mix. See, as soon as I click the button, it get updated. So one of the main reason for using Firebase database was that it is free and also super fast, because normally server take at least 2-3 seconds to update the data, but in case of Firebase it takes just less than 1 second. So as soon as we click the button, we can easily get all the data into our database. So if I go to my cart section, I see the chicken burger page and lamino page. I can select the pickup time and do my confirm order. So as soon as I did the confirm order, the admin can see here Sagar and the things I ordered. So also the user, you can go to his profile page, you can go on my orders and see all the food he have ordered. And another feature the user have is that the booking. So the user can book the table of 2 weeks from current date. So from current date, the user can select up to 2 weeks. So for example, 25 June, let me suppose 720, and the number of guests cannot be more than 10 people. If I write 100 people, then it will give an error saying booking should be less than 10. So let me do 5 people and confirm my booking. As soon as I click the booking, see here our booking page get just updated here. So this is our latest one. So yeah, the user can see email ID, name, number of guests, time, and in the real time, the user can also see the details here. The admin can see the details here. They're just a name of me and some random users for now. So the last one is my order, my name, email, the time, number of people, at what time they are coming. So all this detail can easily be managed by the admin. So here we are connecting 3 main systems with each other. One is an admin panel, another one is an Android application, and in the center we have a Firebase database, which helps as a bridge for communicating all the data between the admin side and the application. So, and the application is also available in the Google Play Store. So one can go to a Google Play Store and search for Laminar Restaurant and can download the application from there. And also we, as I already told you before, we used GitHub for our version control system and managing the code. So all the code for our admin side and application are available in GitHub. So this one, the first one is for our admin side, while the second one is for Android application. So all our code we did are available in GitHub. So you can go and check up there. This one I just updated 9 days ago. So this is our application. So that's all, which highlights all my contributions, all my knowledge of the project, everything I learned from the project, and the demonstration of the project I built as I was the only one from software engineering background. So I have to do all this coding part by myself. So I alone have to do the UI designing part, developing the admin side, developing Android application, the database part. So everything you see here is done by myself, which you can also access view from GitHub also, as well as you can also check the application from our Play Store, and also you can check the admin side going to lamono.netlify.app. This is a free hosting site I used for now. So maybe next couple of weeks we will be hosted on the official website of the Laminar Restaurant. So for now we are just hosting it for testing purpose, and because obviously there are lots of bugs and error right now, so we still have to work and try to minimize all the bugs and error we have. So that's all for now. My name is Sagar, and faculty is software engineering. So thank you. That's all for now.